Cold AC too. Cold AC too. Sub-Zero.
Fuck about the chain on your neck. And I don't give a fuck about you chasing the check. Money don't make you real. Money don't make you real. I said money don't make you real. Now money don't make you real.
Hey man. So yeah, man, let me get this started, man. Finna show y'all this 1993 Cadillac Fleetwood I bought at the auction. I think the winning bid was $780. Then I paid $140 for the Titan. Okay, for the Titan. All right. So first, they called me go, man, and I'm in the process of getting my own dealership. Street Ready Autos. Street Ready Autos, man. Now, I've been selling cars 5 years. 5 years. But I've been abiding by the guidelines, man, selling 5 cars a year. So I wanted to clarify that for all the snitches and the, the tattletellers, So I've been selling cars for 5 years, man, and it's been good to me. It's been good to me. I love driving. I love driving different cars and just making money, man. Yeah, just making money, man. As y'all know, let me go grab my mask out the car. All this coronavirus shit. But matter of fact, fuck that mask, man. I ain't finna be around nobody. Just finna show y'all this 1993 Fleetwood I got. This spaceship. I want y'all to help me out with a really big decision. Yeah, man. So finna show y'all this Cadillac Fleetwood, man. This spaceship, man. Got a really big decision, man. 1993 Cadillac Fleetwood. I think I came everything all together. I think the total was about $890. I think I'm $890 in it right now. Oh yeah, I bought some oil too. That was $4. Guess $8.94, some shit like that. Check it out, man. Fleetwood. It's wrecked right here. Need a light, need a bumper, need a fender, and I might be able to salvage the hood, but I might go and get another hood too. Cadillac Fleetwood. It's missing the chrome side piece, chrome trim right there. That'll fill the gap too. And it's missing the chrome gap in the front. Check it. Yeah, y'all see I got my alcohol too. Gotta stay corona free on these niggas, man, but check it out, man. We're the inside. And mind, I haven't done nothing to it. I just drove it here and parked it. The dash is kind of cracked, Oh, need the trim. It need the dash panel right there, the radio, as y'all can see. All right, man. Check the back out. This piece right here, this trim piece, it's in the trunk, where the leather pouch is in the trunk, and I could just take these clips right there, put them back in the trim, put them back in the pouch, and just clip it back on. So that ain't gonna be much of nothing. Pop the trunk. Show y'all how many dead bodies I can store. Where the trunk thing at? Shit. Yeah, my phone. Let me see. Shit, it don't work. So I need to get that fixed, which might just need to be wired up. But check it out. I'm just fucking up. Damn. Big ass trunk. I think I can store about 4 or 5 dead bodies in there, man. I'll just fucking with y'all, man. I ain't gonna touch nobody, man. Unless they fucking with my shit. Fucking with my money. Okay? Let's get to the engine. Yeah, hopefully this can go nice and smooth and the battery ain't dead. I ain't crunk up in like 2 weeks. Let's see. Woo! There she go. See the digital dash. She only got 133. Yeah. Let's see what we got. Cold AC too. Cold AC too. Sub-Zero. Mortal Kombat, get over here. Sub-Zero, baby. Okay, show y'all this engine. What do we have here? 350. Looks like she need a little Freon. She's cutting out. Might need half a bottle or so. Some oil or something. Cut that out so I don't burn her up. Check it. 350. See mode. Radiator good now, that's good. 350. Get over here. See if we can rev up a little bit. Sounds good too, don't she? Yeah, she sounds good too. So I paid $8.90 out the door with her. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Do y'all think I won? I think I should have left her where she was at. And also let me know, should I put some money into her and put on 28s? And when I say put some money in her, I mean I'm gonna get the trim, I'm gonna get the fender, the bumper, the lights. I'm gonna do all that regardless, so she can sell. If I am gonna sell, I'm gonna do that regardless. But if I'm gonna put the 28s on her, I'm gonna have to do some front end suspension work to jack her up, lift her up some. And I think that's gonna run me about $1,000. About $1,000 to lift her up. The back I'm not really worried about. The back I'm not really worried about because she has air shocks. I can put some air shocks on her, put some new shocks on her and just air her up. So I'm not really worried about that.